When I do like this, I feel cute. And when I do like this, I feel cute. But when I just do like this, I don't feel cute. Okay. Okay. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. I'm gonna stiff a little bit, on my channel. Okay, but yes, I am back with the hair tutorial, but this one is a little different. So, I needed a quick wig because I actually want to get my hair cut, and I just feel like this is just not going to work. And I'm supposed to go out tonight, so I was just like, need something fast. So, you know, cheap little old me went to the beauty supply store and got this beauty. It probably doesn't look like much on her.
No shade.
But hopefully it looked like a lot on me because yeah. But we're gonna try it. I got the bang because I wanted a bang, and I figured I don't feel like gluing nothing down. I don't feel like doing nothing because I don't know when exactly I'm getting my hair cut. It might be tomorrow or it might be like next week. So I just need something I could throw on. They didn't have glueless, so I was just like, why not try it out? It was do I have a receipt? The wig was $53. So I feel like that was pretty good. It's Femi Brazilian wig, unprocessed natural hair. You know, 100% natural virgin Remy human hair. You can dye, perm, bleach, customize, and I got it in the color natural. And the style is called Natural Roze wig. Okay. Yeah, so this is it. Out back. Little hack for you guys. If you're not a wig wearer, I'm a wig wearer, but I'm lazy. So yeah. If you're not a wig wearer, if you're not a wig wearer and you're lazy like me, get the display. It's okay, I promise you. Especially now because, you know, with COVID, nobody can really try nothing on and stuff. But like, get the display. Because with the display, they actually style it and stuff like that. And that's why, you know, like when you go get a wig and you bring it home, you're just like, why doesn't it look like that? It's because they fixed it up. So I always get the display. Always. But this is her. Oh my gosh, y'all. I better not look like somebody's mama. This is her. Oh, I'm getting nervous now. I'm getting nervous. But on my second job. Let me take this out. Oops. Okay. And of course it has the directions of the, oh girl, you about that already? It has the directions of the wear. Like, you know, how to properly take care of it on here. So you can keep this. I'm not. But yeah, so the wig has the combs. Actually, it only has one comb. So it has a back comb, which I like because I hate those little combs that go like right here. Like, what am I gonna do with it? And it also has, oops, you know, the drawstrings. I automatically put the drawstrings on because my head is small. And I just have to, so yeah. But this is her. Remember I got it off the mannequin, so let's see. I'm about to put a cap on and I'll be back. So because she's a bang, which I'm loving so much, I'm just putting this on there. I don't really need it honestly, but hey, you never know. You never know. So I'm gonna just put her on there. I'm not brushing anything back because I figured the bang will cover it. This is really about to be a simple tutorial. Hopefully it looks right. Okay. Y'all ready? Because if it looks bad, I'm still posting this, so whatever. Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, it looked like a grandma wig already. Oh my GG. Okay. Oh my. Y'all, what in the heck? Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, why does it look like this? Oh gosh, okay. Wow. This is kind of depressing. I have another wig to put on, but I don't want to. Okay, we gonna make it quick though. We gonna. What Jamie Foxx say? I'm gonna do what it do. Okay, so first of all, let's. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's comb that. Oops. Okay. 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 No. I think because like I'm just not feeling the bang, so it's like I'm not even trying to get into. Okay, hold on. Okay, I gotta take a minute. Hold on. I don't know how I feel. When I do like this, I feel cute. And when I do like this, I feel cute. When I just do like this, I don't feel cute. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh, like, I don't know. Yeah. Because I feel crazy.
No, I like that. No, it looks nice actually. And seeing on camera looks nice. What don't you like about it?
I don't know.
Cause no, on the girl it was like all the way up here. I thought it was gonna be no, but it came down.
I got the what's it called? I got the display, but like I feel like
I think it's like the perfect length.
okay.
Cause even the back it looks like. I mean, I have a straightener. I don't know if you want to straighten it.
No, I think it's the bang and
You don't
everything
like
included. Yeah, like
I like this.
I feel like I'm one of
Get
those.
into it.
Not get into. Well, okay, you heard it here, guys. Look like the closer I get to y'all, the more I'm just like, why did I do this? Okay, maybe it's just something that I have to get used to, I guess. I don't know. Maybe when I get dressed, I'll feel a little better. So I'm about to get dressed and then I will let you guys know. No. If you like this outfit, look at that. Stay tuned for my Shein haul. Not really. Stay tuned for my Shein haul. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'm about to go. But thank you guys. Bye.